Howdy everybody, got a new video for you on the 12-minute affiliate system. I know you've probably seen it around, maybe even been marketed to, maybe even been through some of their sales videos or webinars, but wondering what it's all about. I'm going to give you a quick rundown overview of the back office of 12-minute affiliate. I'm a member, so full disclosure, I use it because let's just say it's got some pre-built funnels for you that I can use, and saves me the trouble of building them myself, and I'm lazy, whatever, But for that matter, let's get started. You're going to come up with a screen when you first sign in, something similar to this. You can see it's checked off several places because I've already set my account up, obviously. But, first it says it can be set up in 12 minutes. That's probably a little aggressive, but half an hour to an hour, pretty easy. And you'll be up and running, you'll be in business. You can click on any of the arrows. It'll give you the step-by-step instructions. You're going to set up your account. You click on this button, name, email address, etc., and your ClickBank ID. You got to be a member of ClickBank because it comes preloaded with several ClickBank offers, depending on the niche you pick. It's got they give you choice of niches. They got 3 that they in the system: make money online, health and fitness, and personal development. They've got products already loaded in each niche for you. So once you get the system set up and running, they start automatically promoting those products to your list of subscribers. So you need a ClickBank ID so you make sure you get the commissions, in other words. Next, they're going to want you to connect to an autoresponder. Okay, now this is an extra cost. They're not going to it's not told up front, but you have to have an autoresponder for the email series to go out to your subscribers, place to collect your subscribers. The system is based on email marketing and affiliate marketing. So you have to collect. They recommend Aweber, which is a very good one, has a 30-day free trial. There's some others out there, maybe a little bit cheaper, maybe have a few more features, but the cool thing about Aweber, it's already synchronized with 12-minute affiliate. You just sign up for Aweber. You can just download the entire 80, there's an 80 email sequence that's preloaded with all the affiliate offers. Just downloads, it's already set up to just download right into Aweber. It's very simple, get you up and running. And like I said, you can try it for free for 30 days. Once you've got your autoresponder, then you got to set it up, which is where you're going to go through. They got videos you can watch, walk you through step by step. But basically, you're setting up your list and you're loading the email sequence, email follow-up series they call it, with all the affiliate offers in it. So as soon as you start getting subscribers, for the next 80 days, that person, when they subscribes, gets an email from you promoting a different offer. And some of the same offer over and over again, obviously, but for 80 days, they're going to get an email from you. You don't have to do anything else. Just get a subscriber into your funnel, into your email list, and then the system promotes to them. And then after you've done those 3 things, you're going to go set up your funnels. Okay, well, they've got 10 funnels, pre-made funnels, that you're going to pick one. You pick several, but at least initially you're just going to pick one to start promoting traffic to. And then you can try different ones over time, send traffic to see which one you get a better opt-in rates, etc. from. And once you've got your funnels picked, then you've got this optional done for you, which for a fee, this isn't free, they will set your whole system up for you. It's quick, easy, separate fee. It was $67. I don't know what it is now, but you'd have to check and see. But they'll do it for you. You don't even have to mess with it. And then they want you to go get done for you traffic. Well, they have traffic is basically you pay per click. They go out and they buy clicks from people who have a big email list and promote your funnel for however many clicks you're willing to buy. And then some of them will opt into your list, and then they get promoted. The email sequence automatically. Now, it's kind of pricey. There are other places you can buy it. They also have some some over here, other traffic methods. We've got 16 ways to get free traffic, but that's going to take work and time. It's a lot slower, a lot more work, these free methods. The paid traffic, if they're done for you traffic, is quicker. You'll get traffic right away. You just come down, you click on get traffic, you fill in your information, your credit card information, you type in how much traffic you want. Okay. There are some other sites out there, and I'll cover those on a different video, like Udemy, udimi.com, trafficforme.com, that have same type of traffic, a little bit more, less expensive. Do what you want to do. Either way, you can pay in dollars, or you can pay in time, and so it's entirely up to you. I'm not going to push either one. I'm just saying that's how the system works. You've got to get traffic into your email system, and then the system will start promoting through that 80 email follow-up series to your list. But you got to get a list. So there are some hidden costs that they don't tell you about up front. One is the cost of the autoresponder, email autoresponder, which, like I said, you get 30 days for free. But after that, it runs between $15 and $20 a month, whichever one you pick. And the cool thing about this, of course, you see over here, I'm in the home business niche, or make money online niche. I click on my niche funnels, it gives me an option, instant or custom funnel. The instant funnel is already done for you. There's 10 of them. And you can pick which one you want to use. You pick whichever one you use, you copy the link, you give it to promote it however you're going to promote it, either social media, or you promote it through paid traffic, through their paid traffic, through Udemy's paid traffic, and then that gets sent, and they send clicks to this opt-in page, which they collect your email. These funnels are already attached, already hooked up to your autoresponder. You can change that if you want. You can delete a funnel if you don't want to use it anymore. You can edit the funnel, change some of the wording up so it doesn't look exactly like everybody else's. Just click on edit. It won't let you change these funnels because they're done for you basic funnels. Now, if you want to promote an offer, which I would highly suggest once you start building an email list, you want to start promoting other offers besides what they're promoting that maybe aren't on ClickBank. You can do that by clicking on custom funnels. It's the same funnels, but you can change the link. In other words, these you can link to wherever you want. I can just select a funnel. I tell if I want to opt in or a bridge page or both. I tend to do both because if you're collecting emails through, you can pay traffic, buy traffic, do pay-per-click to the opt-in page, which will collect an email, which sends them to a bridge page first and then to the offer. Or if you want to promote, well, we can talk about it in another video called broadcast messages to your email list, which is in addition to what this system was promoting. You can send a message to your email list that you put together. Well, you don't need them to opt in again. They're already in your list. So you'll just need to use the bridge page. But if you do both, you have both available for each funnel that you create. And then your current subscribers, you'll send to the bridge page and then to the offer. Because they're not going to opt in again. They're already on there. Then, of course, you're like, I'll do both. There's your two. You add your Aweber list, which when you set up your autoresponder, you'll set up a list and you'll name your list and they'll give you a number. And now you'll put that in there. And it says, what is the link? So, say I want to promote whatever, some other affiliate marketing program that's not on ClickBank that I found on, say, Warrior Plus or JVZoo or one of the other affiliate marketplaces. I'll put that link in this line. And then when I send traffic then to this funnel, it's going to send them, collect their email. It's going to collect their email. It's going to send them to this bridge page. And it's going to send them to this offer. Okay. Or if it's my current list, I'll just click on the bridge page when it's all set up. And when they click on the email, it'll send them to this bridge page. They click on yes, I'm ready. It'll take them to this offer. So you can promote offers outside of the 12-minute affiliate system. You basically got a funnel building software limited to promote other offers built within the system. Now, I've got some already built. So if you've got some already done, you click on existing funnels. These are some I've already built. On these, you can change the wording. Okay, you can change this page. You click on it. You can edit the page. And when you edit, you can change. Basically, you can change the wording. Okay, you can't change the pictures. You can't change the disclaimer, but you can change some of the wording, make it look a little different than everybody else is in the system promoting. And like I said, you'll be promoting. These are you're going to be using to promote different offers anyway than what everybody else is promoting. But then, as you see, I've done both. So if I want to promote this offer to my current list, I'll copy this link here. It's for the bridge page. If I'm going to buy traffic and I'm trying to collect subscribers and promote this offer, I'll copy this link and promote it to the list. And that's basically how the funnels work. And it's maybe it's $9.95 for the first 2 weeks, then $49 a month, or $400 lifetime for one niche. $800 if you want all three. They have home business, health and fitness, and personal development. Those are the three most profitable niches out there in affiliate marketing. And that's why they use those. Of course, here again, you can do the done for you traffic again, and then the other traffic methods I've shown you, autoresponders, and those are already here. Education Center, they have some videos and some team trainings that you can look at, watch that are good help. And then they got the email swipes. Part of your membership, you get 80 email swipes for each of the different niches, and you can copy them. So when you promote that funnel, although it's a different product, the email in your niche is the same. They've been pre-written by people who know what they're doing. You just change out the links to your new offer that you're sending. And then you load that into your autoresponder, into a broadcast message, which we'll talk in another video about. And then that gets sent out to your list. Or you send it to your pay-per-click or promote it through Facebook or whatever, through the other 16 free traffic methods. And but the emails are there for you. You don't have to spend time writing emails. You don't have to spend time building funnels. It's already done for you. Just plug and play, paste, cut and paste, if you will, and start promoting the system. And then down here, it's your top affiliate. This is what they're currently promoting through the 80 email follow-up series. So this is the products they're promoting currently. These are already being promoted, preloaded, already in the 80 email follow-up series. So everybody that you get to your list, it starts getting emails regarding these products and the different commissions you'll make on. Anyway, that's the system in a nutshell. They have a personal development library. It's got some books and mental, all kinds of it's all free to users that you can download and read and apply. But all in all, it's a really good system. Easy to use. 12 minutes. It's a little, probably a little aggressive, but within a half hour, an hour, you can be up and in business. Then it's just a matter of budgeting yourself how much traffic you can get. If you can afford to buy traffic, how much can you afford? $50 a month, $100 a month, whatever you can afford. Start sending traffic to those funnels and start generating some sales, building your list, because the money's in the list. They've always told us the more subscribers, the greater chance of making sales. So you want to build that list, and this system will help you build that list and automate follow-ups and broadcasts and sales. So it's a really good system. Check it out if you want to. Like I said, it's like $9 for 2 weeks, and then your autoresponder is free for 30 days. Load it up, see what you run around, and it's with ClickBank, so it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it, you can get your $9.95 back. Anyway, hope that helps. If you enjoyed it, let me know, and keep on the lookout for some more videos in the future.